Now on to the best part of the house tour, which is the beach. Hi guys, and welcome to my split Croatia apartment tour. So if you are new here, my name is Lana and I travel with my partner Carlos, making informative travel videos showing you our lives as digital nomads. So today I'll be showing you around our apartment that we have been staying in for 1 month in Split, Croatia. So for those of you who don't know where Split is, it's located along the Dalmatian coast. And it's beautiful, so if you don't know where it is, you have to Google it. And we are staying in an Airbnb since it's pretty much the easiest way to book an apartment on the go, and also it includes everything in the cost such as water, power and internet. So our apartment is actually located a 10-minute drive away from the popular Split city centre, so it's close enough to Split, but it's also further enough away from all the tourist attractions down there. Alright, so let's get into it. So this is the entrance that you'll see as you walk through the door, and we have a lovely couch slash sofa bed. The living room also connects with the dining room. So we have the TV there, it's our dining table, and this is our lovely little kitchen. So it's all in one room. And we are kind of privacy freaks, so Carlos has actually sectioned off all of the little tiny holes in the door that weren't blocked out. And over here, he's put tinfoil all over the windows. That's how crazy we are, guys. But you know, it's not like the glass was see-through, but it's just one of those glasses where you can kind of see the outline of someone's body, and we just kind of preferred to not see that, so we've covered it up. No offense to the neighbors. We have AC here, but we weren't really using it at this apartment since it's October and it's autumn, so the weather was actually getting a bit cooler. Even though it looks warm outside, it's still a bit cool. And the kitchen is very spacious. As you can see, there's a lot of room here. So the apartment has everything that you would need for a month-long stay. It's got plates, pots and pans, and we have a nice little stovetop here with an oven. We've got a microwave, we have a jug for boiling water. Now the water here has been drinkable, which has been really great for us. It is hard water like we had in Zagreb, but it's definitely not as harsh as the water we were drinking in Zagreb. The fridge has been really good. We definitely like having a large fridge at our Airbnbs because this means that we can do more grocery shopping. So we had a fridge and a freezer, and the dining table is a really nice size. We did a lot of work sitting at this table, and one of my favorite features about this kitchen is actually the window because it looks right over the ocean. So we've been really spoilt here, and every night we've just seen the most amazing sunsets, as you will have seen if you follow me on Instagram. I keep probably spamming with sunsets, but it's just so gorgeous. I couldn't help but take a photo. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. Alright, so next up is the bathroom. We have a proper, well in my opinion, a proper shower head attached to the shower wall. And this is the water heater for the shower. A toilet, a sink and a mirror. Just a normal bathroom really, but it's very nice. And as you will have noticed, there's no washing machine, which we usually have in the bathrooms here. So actually we have to go outside and go down some stairs here and turn right. So the washing machine is down the bottom of our apartment complex, but that hasn't bothered us too much. And right next to the bathroom we have the spare bedroom, which I used for my teaching. The spare bedroom is really large and also has a wardrobe for storage, which we didn't use because we don't have that much stuff. And on this side of the house you get really nice views of the mountains and the main road. So back through to the main living room, you can walk to our bedroom, which is a green colour, very nice and cozy. We also have a very large cupboard for storage in our bedroom. Our bedroom window also has beautiful beach views. And they have window shutters here like we did in Zagreb, and they actually block out all of the light, so at night time the whole room is just pitch black, and it's really good for sleeping. Now onto the best part of the house tour, which is the beach. Wow, we are going to miss these views. Look at that, it's going to be a beautiful sunset tonight. So this is our deck, and it's very large as you can see. And we've got our lovely table and chairs out here that we've been enjoying plenty of meals from. So as you can see over there, that's our gate that leads onto the beach. And the owners of the apartment actually let us use their chairs, so we can take these chairs onto the beach, but we just have to bring them back at the end of the day. Over there is a popular hotel, so there's quite a few restaurants if you just walk along this beach. And then on the other side we've got an even larger hotel called the Le Meridian, and there's quite a few restaurants if you head down that way, and also the supermarkets. And down here is our car park, but we don't have a car, so we didn't need to use this. So on this side of our house we actually have a main road, and then on this side is the beach. So because the main road's there, it can get a little bit noisy sometimes, but this actually hasn't bothered us since our bedroom is on the other side of the house. And with the window shutters blocking out the sound, you don't really feel like you're right on a main road. So yeah, that was the outside of our apartment. Okay, so obviously since we both work online, having really fast or decent internet connection is really important for us. So I'm just going to do a quick speed test on speedtest.net to show you the Wi-Fi connection here. So here we go. So I'm currently taking this speed test from the living room, which is where we seemed to get the best connection for Wi-Fi. Okay, so the download is 22.4 Mbps and the upload is 7.25 Mbps. So as you can see, it's not super fast, but it's definitely not slow, and that's all we really need to do our jobs. And we did have one day where the power went out because there was a storm here. The hosts of this Airbnb are so lovely, I can't recommend this place enough. They come up to our room and bought us a SIM card with 4 GB of data on it, so we were still able to work here even though the power was out. Okay, so that was the apartment tour, and as you saw, it's really comfortable living for a couple here, and you can even fit probably 4 to 6 people in this apartment. So the total cost for 1 month in this Airbnb was $758 US. So if you wanted to check it out on Airbnb, I'll leave the link down below, and you can even click on my link, which gives you $33 US credit towards your next stay. We are so sad to be leaving Croatia tomorrow, but we are on to some new adventures and I'm really excited for that. So if you wanted to see what we get up to, make sure to click on our playlist above. Bye house, we will miss you. So we've just moved because we don't know where we should be waiting for this bus. Okay guys, so we just made it to Austria and that was a crazy long day for us.